Be a lot nicer out here if the sun was shining. But no, the sun's not shining today. Why would it? At least it's not too windy out. Anyway, trying to make up for yesterday's vlog because it was so short. I was in a meeting all day and, well, anyway, let's try and make a little bit longer video today with seagulls or something. Get a sunny day here and a warm day. We'll get the pool painted. So far I haven't gotten the pool painted. I want to get it painted and get it filled with some water and open it up by at least May 15th maybe. Early morning hours, nobody out here. Just walking the boardwalk by myself. Nice and quiet. A little cool out, but no wind, so it feels good. For a change. Hazy, no sun out. Nothing out here but pigeons. Lots of pigeons. Remember last week I took a picture here. There was just a hole in the ground. Now there's some block work done. Going to be building a house here, I guess. Looks like a very small house, but a house just the same. Seagull at the beach Sunday again. Drop. The carousel arcade, the pinball arcade, and the pinball arcade. That's right, we're in the carousel, the pinball arcade.
Good. Get the hell out. You need these.
How much do you want for it? I mean, whatever it is, it's not enough.
Sonny, you ever owned a car before?
Yeah, he owns a Mustang. No. I just got my license.
Name is George LeBay.
Honey Cunningham. What are you asking?
Start her up.